Hi guys, this is 2018 Toyota Corolla as a MZEA12R model. So M220 engine. So this one had a problem is the check engine light is on for some code showing me engine coolant pump performance stuck or off. So first we have to scan the car and have a look for the code. Okay guys, here's the code P26CB. So engine coolant pump performance stuck off. So we have to remove the water pump, the electrical pump, then have to replace for that part. So that's an internal failure, internal fault. So we have to remove that pump. So this is the engine. So we have to off the alternator, the tensioner side. So we first drain the coolant. Okay, you can see the two bolt in the thermostat housing. This is underneath of the car. Here the crank pulley side. There's a water pump in here. I lose the belt. Put it in here. Allen key. I'm going to off the alternator first. You can see in here you have to off this cover. So first we have to off the negative. Okay, alternator one bolt in here and one two bolt in here. Okay, here's the located in the water pump. So we have now more access. We have to off this one. Two 8mm bolts and 1, 2, 3 bolts. This connector on. This 8mm bolt. going to off the top 10 8mm bolt. That's 8. So take it out the 8mm bolt in here. The thermostat housing. You can see the thermostat housing in here. You can put away this one. Okay, so you can see the another 14mm bolt underneath in here. This ball we have to off that one too, and these 3 14mm bolts. I have to take out the bottom bolt. So we got to take it out the water pump. Okay guys, here's the old water pump and here's the new water pump. We have to put the gasket. So this water pump getting stuck inside the older one. You can see in here it's not turning. It's not turning. It's a new water pump. So this one doesn't turn it. This one completely stuck. Okay, we installed all the 3 bolts and I have to tighten all the things. Okay guys, we installed the water pump, the thermostat housing 2 bolt and the stud, and then put back the all wiring harness. Then we have to put it the alternator. So after that we have to put the dry belt in here and the wiring connector. In here stuck. And the bottle wiring. After that we all the things put back. So we're going to put back in the coolant. Get the super long life coolant. So we off this one and you have to put the coolant more in. So after that we going to check the cord. So the all cord is gone, so we no need to erase any cord. All cord is gone. Okay guys, finally we done the job. Coolant level is okay. Leading him here. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. See you in the next one.